Hello. Today I'm gonna give you a lecture about types of internet connectivity. There exist several ways to connect to internet. Following list I give you and I make you learn are those connections that are available today. Uh, to begin with, the first one is a dial-up connection. Dial-up connections use telephone lines to connect to a particular system or a particular PC for connecting to internet. It requires a modem to set that dial-up connection first. This modem works as an interface between the computer and the telephone line. That means to make the computer system connected to an internet, we firstly require a modem which should be connected to it, and then modem should be connected to a telephone line, which in turn provides you the functionality of being linked to the internet. So what how actually dial-up connection works is when the telephone line, it communicates with the internet service provider known as ISP, as its acronym is. Then ISP provides you the access to internet. The second way of internet connectivity is by ISDN. ISDN is an acronym and stands for Integrated Services Digital Network. What it does, it establishes the connection using the phone lines which carry digital signals instead of analog. You might note that the difference between dial-up connection and ISDN is that ISDN provides a digital way to connect, while as uh, while as our dial-up it provides an analog signal. So now about ISDNs, there are two techniques to deliver ISDN services, among which the one is BRI and the other is PRI. BRI stands for Basic Rate Interface and PRI stands for Primary Rate Interface. BRI ISDN, it has three channels. So uh, three channels are in a way that they make a complete single ISDN channel, among which two are 64 kilobytes per second bearer channels and the one is a data channel of 16 kbps. The PRI consists of 23 bearer channels and one data channel, and both of which have the capacity of 84 kilobytes per second. Now, the third way of internet connectivity is DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. It's a form of broadband connection as it provides connection over ordinary telephone lines like that of a dial up and ISDN. So, the following there are so many other versions of DSL. For example, uh, we call it as a symmetric DSL, then we have symmetric DSL, then we have high bit rate, and we have very high bit rate DSLs. Then it's rate adaptive DSL and ISDN DSL. All of the above technologies differ in their upload and download speed, bit transfer rate, and level of services. The other way of connectivity is cable TV internet connection. Cable TV internet connection is provided through cable television lines. It uses coaxial cable which is capable of transferring data at a very higher speed than common telephone lines. They, there are some certain points regarding the properties of cable TV, and that are: modem is used to access this service, and the service is provided by the cable operator. The cable modem comprises of two connections, one for internet service and other for cable TV signals. Since cable TV internet connections share a set amount of bandwidth with a group of customers, therefore data transfer rate also depends on number of customers using the internet at the same time. Now, satellite internet connection. Satellite internet connection offers high speed connection to internet. There are two types of satellite internet connection: one way connection and two-way connection. In one-way connection, we can only download data, but if we want to upload, we need a dial-up access through internet service provider over telephone line. In two-way connection, we can download and upload the data by satellite. It does not require any dial-up connection. Computer directly communicates with the satellite dish, which in turn communicates with the satellite. And then we have a modem connected to a computer which connects to that telephone line and over some center that provides us the that provides us with the connections, and to which other computer is connected, or it may be connected to a server. What happens is that sorry computer is connected to a modem, and modem is connected to a telephone line. That telephone line is connected to a center which acts as the web server. Then when two computers are to communicate, what happens is a computer sends its signal to satellite dish, and that satellite dish in turn communicates with satellite, which in turn communicates to some operation center, and then that's updated on our web server. Other way is wireless internet connection. Wireless internet connection makes use of radio frequency bands to connect to internet and offers a very high speed. The wireless internet connection can be obtained either by Wi-Fi or by Bluetooth. So we have certain things about uh, wireless internet connection. One to two things. Wireless technology like Wi-Fi, it's based on IEEE standards which allow the electronic devices to connect to internet. And we have Bluetooth wireless technology that makes use of short wavelength radio waves and helps to create personal area network. Thank you. This was all for types of internet connectivity. Stay connected for the more topics. Thank you.